Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the nature of the economic problem. So there are two learning objectives. First, it's about finite resources and unlimited ones. Second, it's about economic goods and free goods. But before we talk about these two objectives, let's talk about the definition of economics. So, what is economics? So, economics is actually a study of how individuals, businesses, governments, and nations make choices about how to allocate resources. Let me give you an example about what kind of resources and choices that we are dealing with. So, if you look at the first picture, hey, it's pocket money day. So this girl is about to receive her pocket money at the end of the month. And if you look at the second picture, she has unlimited wants. That means she wants to buy a hamburger, a cell phone, she wants a new book, and she also wants to go shopping. But the problem is she only got $50 as her pocket money. So in this case, we have a scarcity, which is a situation where there is not enough to satisfy everyone's wants. Remember, we humans have unlimited wants. We want to have a nice car, we want to have a better smartphone, but the thing is, the resources to produce it, to meet our wants, are limited. The resources here are the factors that are used to produce goods and services. So in this case, there's a mismatch between what people want and the maximum that can be produced, gives rise to the economic problem. Now let's move on to the second objective, which is economic goods and free goods. So what is economic good? So economic good is a product which requires resources to produce it, and therefore it has an opportunity cost. Later on in chapter 3, we will talk more about opportunity cost. For example, an economic good can be a clothes. So clothes require material and labor for production. So material and labor are the resources. So what kind of opportunity cost that we are talking about? So the material and the labor that are used to produce the clothes could have been used to make a bed sheet. So this is the example for economic good. How about free good? So free good is a product which does not require any resources to make it, and so does not have an opportunity cost. Remember, free good does not require any resources. For example, sunshine, water, and fire. So that's all for chapter 1. Thank you very much.